What's going on for this time frame forecast? We're going to be going over Euro Swiss franc. Now, if you don't remember, we actually went over this pair not too long ago. So we're going to tag it in this video as well. This is just a quick update for you guys. So if you don't remember, we were talking about how price was hitting this area of structure, which was previous support, turned resistance. And if we go down to the weekly time frame, we probably could get a better idea of this. So we could see initiated, tested, confirmed, turned resistance, and now we confirmed it as resistance. So if you guys missed this opportunity, there might be another chance for you to get in. However, we're going to be looking at moving to a break-even position shortly. So if you guys did get in on this trade, you can follow along. And if you did not get in on this trade, we can look for some potential opportunities to get in for a re-entry or an entry. So what we were talking about is this was a 61 fib of the monthly leg, and sorry, I believe it was the weekly leg more than the monthly. Could have been monthly, depending on how you look at it. Once again, fibs are a little bit subjective, so it depends on how and where you guys define structure. But over time, you guys will come up with a consistent way of finding your guys' structure, and then you guys will be using that consistently to find your guys' fibs. So unfortunately, it just takes time. There's no magic bullet for this one. You guys just need to practice. So you can see the structure aligns beautifully with this 61 fib, which is a strong fib zone. And if it aligns with structure, the trading psychology tends to believe that it has significance, and the market moves excuse me, with a trader psychology. So obviously, institutional money is most of where the momentum comes from, but institutional or client retail traders do make a positive impact on trading direction. So remember, trader psychology is important to remember, and that's why learning structures and patterns and using indicators and other tools are helpful, because if a lot of other people are using it, such as fibs or Elliott wave, there's a higher probability people are going to be using them as well, and believing that that's the case. So real quick, I want to show you guys something. So we have this trend line, and basically what we're going to do is try to test this trend line and then come down, break it. And our first true area of actual resistance might be right here. But from there, we'll be at a break even, and we'll put our stop loss in above break even as well. So we can take away some profits, just having a basic trailing stop essentially that is manually moved. And then from there, what we can do is basically just let it hit our take profit, or close it out manually if we do start seeing some actual resistance right here. So this is a 1 to 2. We could actually move our stop loss a little bit tighter. Let's go down to the daily real quick. And there's nothing really going on here. So there might be a potential retracement, assuming that this is an area of reversal up to this 31 right here. So that would give you a 1.08. Other than that, I don't really see an opportunity to come back in. This is just a quick update saying that we are looking at breaking this trade into a break-even zone. So basically what we did right here is we had this area of structure that we broke through, and we already made a new high that's lower than this previous area of structure. So we could be waiting to test this a little bit further, but we could actually move it within the next couple of hours to a break-even position. So just a quick update for you guys. This is Euro Swiss franc, and we talked about this, I think, last week. So if you guys were in on this trade, we could be looking at break even soon. If you guys missed this trade, keep monitoring the 108 level. You can put up limits as well. And if it hits there, then your limit gets triggered. If it doesn't, then there will be more trading opportunities this week. Hopefully you guys are finding these helpful. You guys are following along, taking some pips. Last week was a little bit rough. We ate a lot of our profits from the previous weeks, but it's okay. I mean, it's a part of the game. You're not going to win everything. As long as you stay consistent, use proper risk, we should be okay. So this is Euro Swiss franc, guys. If you guys have any pairs that you want us to cover in future videos, feel free to leave it down below as well in a comment, or message us privately. I'll see you guys in the next video.